Hello everyone, I'm Ken from INEO Company. Today I'm going to introduce our new product combi oven. It's a digital control panel. So now I'm going to tell you how to operate it. Press the button to turn on the combi oven, and then from the top to the bottom. First of all, we choose modes. This we call it steam mode. This is bakery mode, and this one is the steam bake mode. And for the steam bake, you can see there are high, medium, and low. It means humidity. So that means it's a medium humidity. And then over here we choose the temperature we like. So it's like 120 degree. And then over here is the time setting, 15 minutes, and then press the stop button. Also, our combi oven also comes with a needle. How to use the needle function? Press the needle here, bottom here, and then you will see 23. That means the temperature here is 23 right now. And then press the temperature you need, and then put it into the meat, and then close the door. Press stop. Then when the meat reaches to 60 degrees, the oven will shows you the cooking is finished. For the tray size, it's suitable for 2/3 GN trays and 6 layers. And over here we have a manual programming function, which you can install 9 programs. And over here is the auto washing function. From this model, we have 3 types of auto washing. This is the first time, it's like a normal cleaning, and this is the second time, and this is the third time. We call it strongly cleaning. We need the descaling powder for the third auto cleaning mode. Okay, and thanks for watching our video, and please subscribe us.